Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you Ladami wheat brush. This is a wheat brush with 25.4 to 200mm with an easy assembly and a very robust, also available for brush cutters wheat brush compilation here, because in this case you can pair it with round about 98% of all kinds of machines for wheat brushing out there. This here is the new upgraded wheat brush twisted design with 24 braid seals. This is made of high quality steel wires, the lightweight and the particle. It's only 450 gram heavy, the perfect solution to the vibration problem. And cleaning without chemicals, as you can see. It's better to clean such wheat with such an brushed design, steel brushed equipment, because it will make an easy job. It's fast and reliable. The wheat brush is for practically all brush cutters and brush cutters with standard 25.4mm, 1 inches and 20mm connection. It can also be used for electrical brush cutters, as you can see in my video. It works easy peasy and makes a good job. With these wheat brushes, suited for the most brush cutters out there, we can quickly and easily remove the weed and dirt from paved areas and lawn edges. Okay, we have to wear protective clothing and safety goggles and face protection while working. This is an important thing, because here this is a steel brush designed, and you should not take your fingers in the near of that device while it is working, or your foot, or your car, or your kids, or your pets, or something what is not so heavy to withstand against these brushes here. It is easy to assemble, as you can see. You have nearly everything included what you need. Of course, you will need the machine, of course, but then you can attach it easily, as you can see, by using all kind of a lock stick and then a nut, for example, or you use the tool which is included, and then you're ready. Easy peasy installation process, but you have to check that it is tightened enough, and it should not tilt something. It should be only worked smooth in a rotation way. And then the Ladami wheat brushing set can help you, because Ladami is a specialist in gardening. Tools for gardening enthusiasts, increase our work efficiency, it reduces the fatigue and make our work easier, of course. We have here knotted wire, a double sealing. We have mounting accessory included if you like to use that. And at least it should be 1.5 horsepower, a straight shaft, a petrol drive, for example, 1 in or 0.78 inches mounting. And it is not compatible with the Bosch system. Okay, it's not compatible, but it works on nearly 98% of all devices out there with a 25 or a 20mm socket. Okay. Cordless tools, all listed manufacturers and brands meets the basic, are therefore ideally suited. However, there are other manufacturers and brands that are compatible with these brushes. Of course, we should check before we purchase this that the basic requirements, whether our brush cutters has an 1 or an 0.78 inches mount, and then it will match us. Okay, and we have an effective weed removal now, and this without chemicals. This is the really cool thing, because that's good for the nature, and of course good for our pocket, because this weed brush here is not so expensive like you buy Agent Orange or something else. Okay, it is not so expensive. It is the best way for the nature, because no chemicals are required, In this case here, it is the size of 8 inches. And it makes a good job, okay? Yeah. Of course, you should do not do this on areas where scratches be possible. Scratches are not so good in some materials which have a really flat surface. It's good for nature, for rocks, for clean rocks. There is a lot of green, for example, in a halo around the rock. You can clean it with this brush here. Or of course, if your picture had problems with weed, then you can remove this. Or on the streetway, you can remove the weed easy peasy with this nice Ladami weed brush set, 25.4 and 200mm, with an easy assembly and a very robust design. It's also available for electric brush cutters, as you can see on that video here. This is cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.